welcome back to my channel and welcome to another hair review / installation video. This is in collaboration with none other than XRS Beauty. You guys know I absolutely love them. I love their wigs. Their wigs are quality and they're gonna last you. And if you're a babe that doesn't like too much faff, is not very good at installing wigs, this company will help you because everything comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. Comes with an elastic band already in the wig, comes with combs, everything. All you have to do is put it on and style it. It's so easy. I'm going to show you how I got this exact style today. In the box, it just shows you the difference between the different laces. They offer regular brown lace, transparent lace, and the new clear lace. I have got on the new clear lace today, and I'm going to do a little side-by-side to show you the difference between all three. This is a side-by-side of all three different laces. This one is the transparent lace. This one does blend in quite well. This one is the brown lace, which I feel like is good, but you can kind of see it, it stands out. And this one in the middle is the clear lace, which is the one I have on today. Completely seamless, literally blends right into my skin and looks super natural. So if you're confused about what lace to go for, I would definitely recommend the clear lace. Also get a pair of lashes, a comb, edge brush, wig cap, which is super helpful, and it's a dark wig cap, which is also really helpful, and bendy rollers. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you watch the video to see how I got this hair to look like this. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys at the end. Mwah. Literally the best lace I think on the market. I can't wait to put this on. Looks gorgeous. So the wig construction is as usual. It comes with combs in the wig. I believe 4 combs, 3 in the middle and 1 at the back, and it also comes with an elastic band. I'm gonna do a little close up again so you guys can see just how amazing this lace is. As usual, I'm gonna start by cutting off the ear tabs. And I'm gonna cut the lace into 3, as usual, just to make it easier to apply step by step so I don't get confused. And as you guys can see, this hairline is very forward. It literally comes nearly halfway in front of my forehead. So I'm gonna get my comb and I'm just gonna part that off because I feel like it's a bit much for my hairline. Now that's been parted away, just gonna make sure everything is in line and good. Right, everything's looking good. Now I'm just gonna push this forward and wipe away my hairline so I don't have any like makeup messing up with our process, because any oils and stuff can, you know, get stuck to the glue and then make it really messy. So you wanna just take off all your makeup in that area so you don't have any problems sticking the wig onto your forehead. I'm just using my face halo to do this. This is so good. Better than makeup wipes in my opinion. Now that's been done, I'm gonna pull this back forward. And I'm just gonna start with the middle. So, Bedhead were kind enough to send me some of their new products, and they've sent me this Bedhead Hardhead. So it's supposed to be a lot more stronger than the regular Bedhead. So I'm really excited to use this. So that's what I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna start with the middle. I'm just gonna pull this taut. Spray this on my hairline.
Smooth shit.
I've stuck down this side. It seems to be on and stuck. Just gonna show you. And to be fair, the spray works really well. I would say it works faster than a regular bedhead. Yeah, it just gives more of a hold. I can actually feel like it's a little bit more strong than the regular bedhead, so definitely recommend. But I'm just gonna do this side. Everything is on and stuck. I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting off the lace. I'm gonna use my razor comb, like an eyebrow razor, to do this because it just gives more of a natural look. Now that the lace has been cut off, you guys can see it's a little bit crusty. So we're just gonna go ahead and clean that up a little bit with my face halo again, just to make sure we have a really nice, even, clean base. And then I'm gonna go in with some makeup and I'm gonna apply the makeup on there just to make it blend with my hairline and look more realistic. So I've gone ahead and cleaned that all up, and this is what the lace is looking like so far. I'm gonna go in with my black opal contour stick, and this is gonna help blend the lace in further. I'm just gonna put that on the back of my hand like this, and then I'm gonna apply that. To the hairline. It makes that mark of demarcation just go away, literally. Just helps it blend into your skin. Can you guys see? Okay, and that's on me. No baby hair. So now everything's been cleaned up. This is what we're looking like. This is what the lace is giving. Okay, it's giving what lace? It's giving clear lace. So we're ready now to style the wig. So I'm actually gonna use my bed head again. I'm just gonna solidify this parting so it can really go to the side and stay there. Now that's been done, I'm going to section off this portion, just this front portion of my hair. I'm just gonna layer it a little bit, just so when I curl it, it will have some body. I'm gonna use my razor comb to do this. Now that I've given that a quick little layer, I'm gonna take my star of the show. Guys, you won't believe that Dyson, hello? Dyson sent me these straighteners. It's the Dyson Corral. I think that's how you pronounce it, Corral, something like that. So they're really snazzy, they're wireless, like, I just can't believe how gorgeous these are. I'm just gonna put it on. I've charged it already and I'm gonna put it up to 210. Wait for that to heat up. And I'm gonna begin to just give my hair like a slight curl, nothing too crazy, just some layers or whatever, just a little bounce.
Classic shit.
I'm nearly done curling my hair. I'm just gonna do this little piece here. Don't wanna leave her out. Yes, oh, that's cute. What do you guys think of this? I absolutely love it. I think it's super cute. Yes. So, we are all done. This is what my hair looks like. This is the finished product of this wig. Stunning or what? Loves it so much. That is pretty much it. XRS Beauty have definitely done it again. Absolutely stunning. I would definitely recommend. It's such a classic, cute look. I feel like it's giving me very much 90s and I'm here for it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might go back and recurl this because I feel like I want it to go a different way. Let me see. So I just had to go back and fix a little bit because it was bothering me, but I think I like how it looks now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you click the link down below to get the link to this exact wig if you like the way this wig looks. And make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you did enjoy this video. And hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another one. Bye guys. Mwah.